Hi guys, myself Meenal Jain. Welcome once again for the session of differentiation. So today we are starting with the session of derivatives of trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic functions. Before we are starting with the problems, just have a look for the formulas to find out the derivatives of trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic function. These are very important formulas because without these formulas we cannot solve any of the sum of derivatives. So first of all, d by dx of sine x is always equal to cos x. यानी कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू कॉस एक्स. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला वेयर साइन एक्स, कॉस एक्स, tan x, sec x, cosec x, cot x all are the trigonometric functions. Next formula is d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Third formula is d by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. Fourth formula is d by dx of sec x is equal to sec x dot tan x. Next is d by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. Then next formula is d by dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x dot cot x. Then derivative of exponential function, that is d by dx of e raised to the power x is always equal to e raised to the power x. d by dx of a raised to the power x is always equal to a raised to the power x log of a. d by dx of log x is always equal to 1 upon x. And the formula for last is d by dx of log x to the base a is equal to 1 upon x log a. So guys, these are the formulas which we gonna use for every question or wherever it is needed. Now, next are rules of differentiation. The rules of differentiation means how we are using these formulas as per the given question. If u and v are differentiable functions of x such that. Before explaining the rules, I just want to say कि if u and v are differentiable functions of x, the meaning of the statement is whichever the term given in the question, in place of u, in place of v, we can differentiate that term with respect to x. That means the u and v are differentiable function of x. Okay, so that depends on the question कि what question is given. First rule is y is equal to u plus v. Then dy by dx is always equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is our first rule. I'll explain it more better by taking an example. Suppose we are taking an example, y is equal to sin x plus x cube. So first of all, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So dy by dx is equal to, as per the given rule, this is given in the form of u plus v. So here u is your sin x and v is your x cube. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. So I can write down here by using this rule d by dx of u. U is sin x plus d by dx of v. V is here x cube. Now we can differentiate this. The differentiation of sin x by using the formula we have discussed, that is differentiation of sin x is cos x. So we can write down here d by dx of sin x is cos x plus d by dx of x cube. Now in the previous session we have already discussed that x raised to the power n differentiation is nx n minus 1. This formula we are using here. Here the value of n is 3. So this will become n, that means 3 into x raised to the power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. So answer is cos x plus 3x square. This is the value of dy by dx. Understood? This is your first rule, that is y is equal to u plus v. The differentiation dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now, the second rule. So, second rule is our y is equal to u minus v. Then, dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. This is your second rule. Again we are explaining this rule by using an example, because direct karna doesn't make any sense. So take an example, y is equal to 5 10x minus 6 raised to the power x. Suppose this question is given to you. So we can see this u minus v. This is in the form of u minus v. So we can use this rule directly here. So differentiate y with respect to x, or you can write differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of u, that is 5 10x minus d by dx of 6 raised to the power x, that is your v. Now we know that while differentiating, this 5 is our coefficient. Take the coefficient outside, 5 into d by dx of 10x minus, this would be as it is, 6 raised to the power x. So 5 into the formula we have used, that is d by dx of 10x is sec square x. So in place of d by dx of 10x we can write down sec square x minus the formula of a raised to the power x differentiation, that is a raised to the power x log a. The formula I am writing here just for your knowledge, d by dx of 10x is sec square x and d by dx of a raised to the power x is a log a. A raised to the power x log a. So d by dx of 6 raised to the power x is, the value of a is 6. So 6 raised to the power x log of 6 by comparing with this formula. A raised to the power x, that is 6 raised to the power x. The value of a is 6. The result will be 6 raised to the power x log of 6. So final answer is dy by dx is equal to 5 sec square x minus 6 raised to the power x log 6. That is your second rule. Y is equal to u minus v. Now third rule. Third rule is derivative of product. When any terms are given in the form of product, that is y is equal to u dot v, then dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. This is the derivative of product rule. Y is equal to u dot v, then dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Again taking an example, y is equal to e raised to the power x dot cos x. So here the first term we can write down as u and the second term we can write down as v. Using the rule dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx, u का value e raised to the power x है, v value is cos x. Now using this, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we are getting dy by dx is equal to, u is e raised to the power x, substitute in place of u, e raised to the power x, d by dx of v is cos x plus v, that is cos x, d by dx of u, that is e raised to the power x. So we have substituted the entire terms in the formula given for u dot v product rule, where u is e raised to the power x and v is cos x. So u के place पे u substitute किया, v के place पे v substitute किया. Now using the formulas we have discussed in the beginning of the session, that is the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x. The differentiation of e raised to the power x is e raised to the power x. The derivative of exponential function is always the exponential function. So e raised to the power x derivative is e raised to the power x. For writing it in the proper manner, we can take out e raised to the power x as common. E raised to the power x bracket cos x minus sin x. That is your dy by dx. So the result for this answer is dy by dx is equal to e raised to the power x cos x minus sin x. This is your third rule, product rule. So one more example we can take this. Take one more example for u dot v for better understanding. So we just take y is equal to 7 raised to the power x into log x. Again u is your 7 raised to the power x and log x is your v. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So this will give you dy by dx is equal to the value of u, that is 7 raised to the power x, d by dx of log x plus log x d by dx of 7 raised to the power x. u और v का value substitute कर दिया formula में, 7 raised to the power x. The derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x d by dx of 7 raised to the power x. Which formula we gonna use here? A raised to the power x formula. That is a raised to the power x log a. So that gives you 7 raised to the power x log of 7. So the result is your 7 raised to the power x, we can take out common 1 upon x plus log x into log 7. That is the value of dy by dx. Understood? Now the next fourth rule is derivative of a quotient. That is the quotient rule. अभी हमने product rule किया था, अभी quotient rule. That is y is equal to u by v, then dy by dx is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx whole upon v square, where v is not equal to 0. क्योंकि अगर हमारा डिनोमिनेटर 0 होगा तो दैट विल बी योर नॉट डिफाइंड फंक्शन. So denominator will never be equal to 0. The formula for quotient rule is dy by dx is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. So taking an example, y is equal to sin x upon x. Take numerator as u and denominator as, न्यूमरेटर को u लेते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर को v ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, आई एम राइटिंग दिस विथ पेंसिल सो दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर कि ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये हमने कंसिडर किया है u एंड v. नाउ यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला dy by dx is equal to, in place of v substitute x, d by dx of, in place of u substitute the value of u, that is sin x, minus u के प्लेस पर sin x सब्सटीट्यूट करना है, d by dx of v, in place of v substitute x, v square यानी कि डिनोमिनेटर का स्क्वायर x square. We have substituted the values here. In place of u substitute sin x and in place of v substitute the value of denominator, that is x. So x d by dx of sin x minus sin x d by dx of x upon x square. Now differentiate this. X d by dx of sin x is cos x minus sin x. The derivative of x is always 1 upon x square. So the final answer is dy by dx is equal to x cos x minus sin x upon x square. This is the answer. Hope you understand this, that dy by dx is equal to x dx minus sin x upon x square is the differentiation of this example, that is y is equal to sin x upon x, by using u and v. यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं differentiate with respect to x. It's understood, differentiate with respect to x, जो हम हर क्वेश्चन में लिख रहे हैं. Okay guys, that's all for today's session. Thank you so much. I hope you like it, and for any queries please ask in the comment box. We'll continue with the chain rule and derivatives of composite functions in the next session. Till then, stay tuned. Bye everyone. Love maths, solve maths. Thank you so much.